Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am giving you an update on my veggie garden. Check it out. I think I did pretty good for a first time bucket planter. So what do we have here? I have potatoes. I think there's one red and the other two are yellow, I think. Don't ask me what kind, because just like I said, first time planter. These are large tomatoes. I want to say these are cucumbers. Then I have sweet potatoes. That was spinach. My container of seasonings, which had basil, cilantro. I think I put all kinds of seeds in. Cilantro is the only one that ended up growing. My onion looks pretty good. I think I have more cucumbers. I mean, this was supposed to be garlic, but nothing yet. These are peppers. These are baby tomatoes. Check out my baby tomatoes. A pumpkin. Beans. And more large tomatoes. So I did start all of them here, if you remember. And as they started growing, I did start splitting them into other containers. Once these grow a little bit more, I'm gonna probably put them in separate them in another container. The same thing with my baby tomatoes, and the cucumbers seems like they're overgrowing each other, so I'm gonna have to figure that one out. The beans, only one sprouted, and I'm not sure if that's a bean, so I'll have to wait, because I am not a farmer, so I'm not too sure. But one is better than none. And the pumpkin, I did have 3 seeds in there, and I guess one is better than none. So let's hope it continues to grow. But I'm excited that they all grew. Look at that. So here is the spot. They get good sun. It's in my driveway. And since I have to turn on the sprinklers for my grass, it's like bam right there. And I get to water it at the same time. So I'm pretty happy. Let's see what happens, shall we? So I think I did good for a first time container planter. Thank you for watching. God bless. Bye.